Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention wristwatches that you can buy from us. Let me introduce you to the stylish and reliable Jaguar automatic J950 watch, designed for those who appreciate Swiss quality and elegance. This men's timepiece features a high-quality stainless steel case with a 38mm diameter. The sapphire crystal ensures excellent scratch resistance, while the new brown crocodile leather strap adds sophistication and refinement. The watch is equipped with an automatic mechanical movement, providing stable and precise performance. With water resistance up to 50 meters, you don't have to worry about accidental water exposure. The watch's functions include time display, hours, minutes, seconds, and a date feature. The dial is in excellent condition, emphasizing the high quality and durability of this timepiece. While there are some minor scratches on the case, they do not affect its functionality or overall appearance. This watch has already proven itself as a reliable companion for everyday wear. If you're looking for a dependable and stylish Swiss watch, the Jaguar Automatic J950 is the perfect choice. You can purchase it directly from my website. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new videos. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.